Well, I'm over here at Myers. 1 7/8 ball, 3/4 shank. Yeah, that's what I need. This project is going to be completed real soon. I just got out of Myers over there. They've got hundreds of people in checkout lines. They've got 2 regular checkouts open. They've got only 4 of the express lanes open, and the 2 gals that are running the regular ones are working faster than the express guys are. So it's like, all right. Anyway, here's the part for the hitch. As you can see, it's got a hole in it. This is what I bought. This, believe it or not, from Myers. This, $7. Fits perfectly. Yeah, perfect. That hole there is, in fact, a 3/4. It looks like it's a lot bigger, especially when you pull that out of there. It looks like it's a lot bigger, but it's not. So that's going to be probably the second from last thing I did. I saw another thing I want. I want to get a locking pin. I don't want this one. I don't like this one. Yeah, I want to get the locking version of this. And they've got them in there, but it's beyond my budget for this week. So that's where we're at right now. Good afternoon. Greetings from Lenawee County in the great state of Michigan. I am the Lenawee Trucker. I have one last little bit of project here to do, and that's hook this little bugger up here on there. And as you can see, it's a 1 7/8 with a 3/4 inch shank. It's capable of pulling max trailer weight of 2,000 pounds, which is never going to be there because the Malibu is apparently only 1,000 pounds. So and that's fine. My whole thing is to be able to get that down to Eureka Springs, the white one, Challenger. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed or it is the 4th of July, and I have the day off. I'm not on call, which is unique. I'm usually on call on the 4th of July. At least it always seemed to turn out that way when I was at my previous employer. As you can see, it's basically straightforward. You put the wrench on the flats right here on either side. Pop that little bugger down, right down there in place. Let's just cheat a little here. I'll probably make this easier by just putting it on the car and be done with it. But yeah, that's how difficult something like this is, folks. I mean, it's not really rocket science. Come on. I guess I do need all 3 hands. Well, that goes on there like that. You put your 1 crescent wrench here and you tighten this little bugger down. And I might come back, revisit this a little bit later and put some Loctite in there. Because quite frankly, these things are relatively available, easily available, online or at local trailer places. I mean, this thing was only like $7, this part right here. I think this thing was 24. So it's not like it's a ridiculous hard thing to find. Alright, now that's in place, and I'll show you just how hard it is to set this little bugger up. Alright. You just line up that little hole. Yeah, right. There you go. There you go. See? Just line it up. It's real easy. Yeah, it's easier if you're not trying to videotape it. Hook that in there. And you put that in there. And there you have it. More than likely I'm going to buy a locking version of this when I get my paycheck next week. I just don't like that. This is what gets me right here. And I'm thinking, hey, geez, what are the possibilities that when you're rolling down the street that this thing's gonna wobble or rattle? Sounds like that would really bug me. And then watching my trailer pass me on the right hand side would piss me off too, because it's only supposed to pass on the left side. But that's where we're at right now. Now obviously there are two options that I have that are almost within reach. One is a 5x8 trailer, which is, I think they said it was 375 pounds. And there is a 4x7 trailer, which is apparently 325 pounds, which is probably much more to my liking. It will handle the PCX and the Elite no problem, and it may even handle the Reflex, or not the Reflex, but the Silverwing, if I put it in diagonally. So that's where we're at right there.